Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another glorious episode of The Wretched Ranch. Today we're talking about the import invasion, the Asian invasion, the old Japanese juki. Oh yeah, they got us, because we weren't making cars as efficient and as reliable. So Pontiac said, looky here, we're going to take a bunch of our own goobers and we're going to design the J2000, which was built and designed to compete with the Asian invasion. If you like watching old vintage car content promos, then hit the like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
If you watch television news or read news magazines, then you're familiar with scenes like these. They are part of what has been called the foreign car invasion of America. You may also be familiar with Pontiac's J2000. It's part of a larger fleet of General Motors cars designed and built to meet the Japanese and other imports head-on. You may have seen television news coverage or have read magazine articles detailing their announcement. What you may not be aware of is the revolution behind all the headlines. It's a quiet revolution of commitment. It's behind the design and production of the J2000, and it's part of a larger commitment that involves both people and technology, one that aims to produce automobiles of lasting quality that compete not only with the import, but with everyone else as well. The quiet revolution began to take shape in rooms like this back in 1973, before the Arab oil boycott. The challenge for Pontiac and other GM engineers was to set about designing smaller and more fuel-efficient automobiles, and this they have. A lot of American automobiles have been advertised as world-class cars or international-style cars, implying that there is something different and desirable about non-American-made products. Interestingly enough, those of us in the rest of the world don't feel this way at all. You Americans are known as the finest automotive designers in the world, but design is only the first step towards producing a high-quality automobile. It's manufacturing that's most important. This is the GM assembly plant in Lordstown, Ohio, USA, one of the places where J2000s are assembled. To many people, the key to quality in an automobile is the way the body components fit together and the way in which the car holds its finish. Design and testing are important, to be sure, but the car must be put together right if it is to measure up. The assembly line process is where that either happens or it doesn't. Investments in the future require new production techniques and machines. Computers and robotics also play an important role in reducing human error at critical assembly points. Robots check component assembly for dimensional accuracy before allowing the bodies to proceed down the line. If components don't fit together properly, the car won't be built. Welded components may be checked by a special ultrasonic device which verifies weld integrity without damaging the weld itself. Critical chassis and suspension attachment points are also computer inspected to help ensure the dimensional integrity of the underbody. Further down the line, a computer-controlled wheel alignment system monitors front and rear wheel alignment to help provide accurate, reliable steering control and impressive handling associated with Pontiac. Robots also play an equally vital role in welding assembled components together. By measuring electrical resistance to determine weld strength and adjusting automatically, they maintain weld integrity while performing 450 spot welds on the automobile. In the case of the J2000, every unit undergoes a robot-operated body inspection after it leaves the automated welding station. Optic laser scanners probe numerous checkpoints along each side of the body to help assure that sheet metal fits and body openings are correct and dimensionally accurate. Fit is only one measure of quality. Another equally important yardstick is finish, the way a car looks when it's new as well as how it holds its exterior finish through years of use. New techniques are being applied in this area as well. For example, silicon bronze welding is replacing traditional solder finishing on windshield pillar and roof quarter panel joints. This helps eliminate wavy, uneven appearances on the car's finish. All 1982 Pontiacs are submerged into automated phosphate baths before they are primed. The entire body surface is cleansed of oil and dirt before the paint goes on. The priming process itself utilizes anti-corrosive chemicals and provides even temperature control to enhance the reliability of this important anti-corrosive and pre-paint process. Following the prime coat, a special plastisol coating is sprayed along lower body side moldings to help protect this vulnerable area from stone chipping and damage on some models. The body is then painted, a process that involves both new, more durable paint mixtures and automated spraying techniques. Those are just a few of the new techniques that are being used online in assembly plants throughout the United States where Pontiacs are being built. And it's only one part of the quiet revolution. An equally important part is the personal commitment of people throughout the organization. It takes personal dedication to build great automobiles. That dedication has to extend to the workers on the line, to the people who man the machines, who physically put a new Pontiac together. And anyone who underestimates the willingness of Americans to accept a challenge hasn't read American history. There's a new sense of urgency in plants like Lordstown, thanks to a voluntary union management program called Quality of Work Life. Workers now participate more fully in operational decisions and in decisions that affect the work environment. In some plants, workers form teams that redesign jobs and make most of the decisions on how their jobs will be executed. Each assembly plant that has adopted a QWL program is encouraged to develop their own approach, one that best suits their work environment. The same commitment to new work methods and new technologies can be seen in Pontiac design, in engineering, in testing, and in management planning. There are many lessons to be learned from the foreign car invasion of America. Perhaps one of the most important is that the commitment to quality must be a continuous objective. It must not stop with the 1982 Grand Prix, Firebird, or J2000. It must be proven with each Pontiac over and over again. It's a lesson that Americans at General Motors and Pontiac have taken to heart.
Buying a new Pontiac or any new automobile represents a large investment, and the key to protecting that investment is proper maintenance. This is the General Motors Service Research Center, where GM and Pontiac are constantly seeking new ways to improve the reliability and durability of automotive parts and components. As a result of what happens here, many components on the 1982 Pontiacs require less servicing than just a few years ago. For example, oil change intervals on normal engines have been extended to 7,500 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first. And spark plugs need to be changed at 30,000-mile intervals. On Pontiac J2000 and Phoenix models, wheel bearings are permanently sealed and require no additional lubrication for the life of the car. These exciting Pontiacs also feature a manual transmission with a self-adjusting clutch, which reduces the need for periodic adjustments. These are just a few maintenance features on new Pontiacs. Others are detailed in this complete maintenance schedule that's included with every owner's manual. It provides you and your Pontiac dealer with a service log, and it helps alleviate the uncertainty about when components should be serviced or replaced. Some Pontiac features have their own wear indicators, which let you know when they need replacing. For instance, suspension systems feature special wear indicators in the ball joints. And unless these ring indicators are visible, there's no need to replace them. The front brakes feature a built-in wear sensor, which emits an audible signal when brake pads are worn and need to be replaced. And tires on all new Pontiacs feature a tread wear indicator, a solid bar with surfaces if they need to be replaced. All new Pontiacs are backed by impressive warranty protection as well. The G and tires on all new Pontiacs feature a tread wear indicator, a solid bar with surfaces if they need to be replaced. All new Pontiacs are backed by impressive warranty protection as well. The GM Limited New Car Warranty covers any repairs and needed adjustments. The front brakes feature a built-in wear sensor, which emits an audible signal when brake pads are worn and need to be replaced. And tires on all new Pontiacs feature a tread wear indicator, a solid bar with surfaces if they need to be replaced. All new Pontiacs are backed by impressive warranty protection as well. The GM Limited New Car Warranty covers any repairs and needed adjustments warranty protection as well. Whichever comes to the limit, impressive warranty. 1982 Pontiac. When brake pads are worn and need to be feature a solid bar with surfaces if they need to be replaced. Replacing.
Coming your way, the new J generation from Pontiac. J2000, a new generation of four-cylinder front-wheel drive Pontiacs with reclining front bucket seats, side window defoggers. There's a new coupe specially equipped for high mileage. And the list of standard features goes on and on and on. J2000 for 1982, a new generation of Pontiac know-how.
That was how I first learned about the new generation of J2000s. I was driving an older model Toyota then, and I thought I'd check out the new Pontiacs before I went back to my Toyota dealer. This is my J2000 sedan, a sophisticated new American car. And it was about time, Detroit.
Okay, Jody and Amy, let's go. You're not supposed to be in here. I wanted a small, practical car that got good fuel efficiency. That's all I needed, just basic transportation. And then I saw this sporty J2000 SE hatchback. It's a marvelous looking car and it's fun to drive. Well, a woman can still change her mind, can't she?
It's amazing, you know, how some things never change. When my big brother was 18 years old, he had hair down to his shoulders, drove a Pontiac GTO, and listened to the Beach Boys all day long on the radio. Today, nobody has hair that long, and we all drive small, fuel-efficient cars, like this Pontiac J2000 coupe. But the Beach Boys, man, they just keep on making really great music. It's amazing, you know?
My family needed a car with a little more room than our compact sedan, so we bought the J2000 station wagon. It's got plenty of room, but the thing that impresses me most is the engineering that went into its design. It's that quality that sold me.
There are a lot of good reasons for buying a new J2000. It was built that way from the start, from the first developmental stages to final manufacturing and assembly processes. Wind tunnel testing played an important role in refining J2000's wedge-shaped design. Soft fascia bumpers incorporate a front air dam and lower grill opening, which helps cool the engine as well as lower wind resistance for added fuel economy. The drag coefficient for the J2000 hatchback, for example, is only 0.392, and that's better than many of J2000's less aerodynamic competitors. The J2000 also benefits from unitized body construction which integrates the body and frame into a single unit for structural integrity and low vehicle weight. High-strength, lightweight materials, such as aluminum and plastic, are used throughout the J2000 to help make it durable, lighter, and fuel-efficient. New manufacturing techniques and new methods of assembly, including such processes as door alignment and installation and front-end sheet metal assembly, help provide precise and consistent body fits. Every J2000 undergoes thorough online computer-controlled inspection to help assure consistently accurate final assembly of body parts and components. Such quality becomes apparent when you examine details such as the interlocking moldings and the solid one-piece headliner, which is always smooth and free of excess trim at both front and rear edges. Inner and outer door panels are integrated with the upper frame. And bolt-on door hinges with new locks and lock strikers help assure the doors are easy to open and close as well. Details such as deck lid weather strips are vulcanized to guard against cracking or breaking for added protection against water seeping into the trunk area. Consistent door fits depend on a precisely sized door opening, and the J2000 sedans and wagons are made from a single-piece body side ring, which also adds to the structural integrity of these impressive Pontiacs. The coupes and hatchbacks are designed so that the entire body side structure is assembled using only 3 basic units, reducing at least 12 unsightly welds that would otherwise be required along the door frame, window and door pillars, and rear quarter panel. Function is also built into the J2000. Translucent reservoirs and windows enable easy checking of windshield wiper, engine coolant, power steering, and brake master cylinder fluid levels. Valve lifters are designed to be easily serviced from the top of the engine by simply removing the rocker cover. And new replaceable shock absorber cartridges are a special feature of J2000's McPherson strut suspension. Other important features include self-adjusting brakes, a self-adjusting clutch, and permanently sealed wheel bearings, lubricated for the life of the car. The J2000's 1.8-liter overhead valve engine features a 2-barrel Varijet carburetor, which is both economical and responsive to every driving need. And they have quality-conscious engineering as well, with a Delco Remy high-energy ignition system producing high voltage for quick starts and prolonged spark plug life. The standard 4-speed manual transmission has a high 3.53-to-1 first-gear ratio for quick acceleration, as well as a 0.81-to-1 overdrive ratio in 4th gear for fuel-efficient highway cruising. In the special economy coupes, not available in California, the powertrain and 14-gallon fuel tank provide an estimated driving range of 420 miles and an impressive estimated 658 miles on the highway. Estimated range was calculated by multiplying the fuel tank capacity by the EPA fuel economy estimates. The special economy coupe has the manual transmission and is not available with air conditioning or power steering. Normally equipped Pontiac J2000s provide an estimated 26 mpg with an estimated 42 mpg on the highway. And J2000 also offers a smooth ride. Semi-independent rear suspension for the trailing arm twisting rear axle provides flexibility on uneven or damaged road surfaces. A front stabilizer bar, rack and pinion steering, and front-wheel drive are all standard for impressive handling and maneuverability. Front-wheel drive aids traction on slippery road surfaces, and by centering all the action up front, eliminates the drive shaft for added passenger space as well. Put yourself inside a Pontiac J2000 for a test drive and discover what others have already found out. It's a bargain.
Whether it's the practical sedan
Or the economical coupe.
The roomy new wagon.
Or the sporty hatchback.
4 exciting new cars from Pontiac. A special overhead cam version of the 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine is available in the J2000. It offers higher RPM and a high-volume throttle body fuel injection system. The throttle body fuel injection system works with computer command control to help the engine adjust to varying operating conditions. Sensors located throughout the engine relay information to the electronic control module concerning temperature, air pressure, throttle position, and other factors which affect engine performance. In turn, the control module computes timing and air fuel requirements and controls fuel delivered through the injector and injected into the engine. Excess fuel is routed back into the fuel tank, helping eliminate unnecessary waste and adding to economy. The throttle body fuel injection system operates from a single low-pressure electric pump mounted in the fuel tank. This helps eliminate the high cost and servicing complications sometimes associated with high-pressure fuel injection pumps. Throttle body injection also has fewer parts than a conventional two-barrel carburetor, eliminating the need for periodic adjustments to the choke, vacuum brake, and air valves. The 1.8-liter overhead cam engine offers a host of other maintenance and durability features as well. High-temperature spark plug boots and wires are designed for long-term operation under intense engine demands. Intake and exhaust valves are chrome-plated and constructed from a durable, high-quality metal compound. Strong front and rear Viton lip seals for the crankshaft help assure reliable engine performance. These are but a few of the reliability and dependability features standard on the 1.8-liter overhead cam engine. And together with the efficiency of throttle body injection, this available four-cylinder engine provides an impressive power plant for the 1982 J2000.
Snowman, you got your ears on? I got a county mountie riding my tail because I'm in a slow J2000. Gonna be talking all about the Pontiac Bonneville on the next episode.